Does it really make sense to be a Minecraft YouTuber in 2025? Well, the answer is yes. Minecraft is still one of the most watched games on YouTube, and there are so many creators earning 30,000 or more every month. But the question is, how do you become a Minecraft YouTuber? First, you need good quality and funny videos. To start recording, download OBS. It's free and almost every YouTuber uses it. Then comes editing. If you want something professional, you can go with Premiere Pro, but it's paid. If you want a free option, DaVinci Resolve is amazing and completely free. Also, you need to make thumbnails too. There is tons of options to use. If you want something professional, you can use Photoshop, but it's paid. If you want free version, use Photopea. And if you want to create 3D Minecraft characters, use Blender 3D, which is free. Now, the most important part, your niche. There are already tons of Minecraft YouTubers, so you need to decide what kind of content you want to make. Survival, SMP, Bed Wars, tutorials, or something completely unique. It's all about creativity. For better clips, you can use Replay Mod and shaders to make your videos look more cinematic. I'll drop the links in the comments. And don't forget subtitles. They are super important to keep viewers engaged. You can experiment with different styles, but make sure they fit perfectly with your video. Most importantly, don't give up too early. YouTube takes time to notice you. Be patient, keep uploading, and if you publish your first Minecraft video, drop the link in the comments so people can check it out.